Hey, how you doing? Have you been trying to build a business opportunity online, but you just don't know where to go? You don't know how to get started. You might not even know what tools you need to use in order to build an online business. Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta, and a couple years back, I was $87,000 in debt. I was stressed. I was depressed. I didn't know how I would get out of it. I was trying to build a business offline, and I didn't have much results because I ran out of people to talk to and I didn't know what exactly to do when I first got started. And, I was taught to go and just talk to anybody. Then I realized I needed to do something else because what I've tried wasn't working. And so I came online and I started to look at YouTube. I watched YouTube videos just like you're watching this video, and I came across a way to actually build a business online using sales funnels and ways to actually capture leads, which I'm going to show you. So, basically, when you're building any business online, and this will work for any kind of business, you basically need a tool that allows you to actually, capture leads and be able to build an email list. Now, when you're building an email list, you want to make sure that these pages are very high converting and test them, and that's what I actually do for people that I work with. So when you're building your list, you want to have this page in place, and then you want to actually send them to your autoresponder. So I use Aweber, and I mean, as you can see right here, here's my leads. Here's how many that I've got in the past 30 days. Here's how many unsubscribed. So I've been well over 10,000 leads, and I delete them on a daily basis, the ones that unsubscribe. So your email list, it acts as the hub to everything else. When you're able to capture your leads, then you're able to send them to anything and actually be able to make money. So basically, I'm going to show you some results of my system that I'm using, and these are the tools, and I'm earning from this. This was today at 7:44 p.m. I just made a commission right here, and this commission was for $100, and then I'm making I'm making other commissions right here. So, uh, if you see these numbers, here's those numbers. I keep making sales, coming down here, and they're continuous. They're continuous sales, right? So you could do the same thing, right? And when you make commissions, you're going to get paid every single week on Thursday. So basically you have this system set up. You could build out anything. You could manage as many people as funnels. So I'll be able to manage your funnel for you. And it doesn't matter what opportunity you're in. These are all the people that I manage your funnels for that that I'm working with, and they're building their primary opportunity, using these tools. And this could actually be a primary opportunity for you, and I'm going to show you what it is. So basically, you're going to get the Funnel Builders Academy. It's going to show you all about funnels. You're going to know how to actually retain your leads, set up your pages, and then there's a community right here. So this is like an all-in-one business. You could join the community. Then you're going to learn how to build any business in 3 simple steps online. And then you're going to learn all about your funnel builder setup. So that's your domain. Then you're going to have your business email and your domain. Then you're going to link your autoresponder to your funnel, so that way they communicate. So basically, your lead will come in here, then they'll go onto your list like that. And in the process, is what's going to happen is they're going to come to a sales page. As soon as they put their email in, they're going to see a video just like this. Then they'll be able to buy, like right there, like how that button's there. That would be like a buy button. And it's exactly how you may have went and put your email in somewhere and bought something. That's exactly how it works. So that's how you're getting on people's email list, if you wondered how you're getting on the list. So this funnel builder, it teaches you all different kinds of things. So you're going to learn all about different things. You're going to learn how to create your own pages. You're going to learn how to share your own funnels. You're gonna learn how to do, you know, exit pop. So that's if somebody tries to leave the page, it'll give them a message telling them to wait. You're gonna learn how to do a membership site. You're gonna learn how to, track your own leads, how to sell your own products, like how to be a marketer. This is gonna teach you everything. And then we have the live, coaching. It's once a month on the funnel builder, so you'll be able to come in here and you'll be able to see this, and what you could do with this funnel builder, with this $25 a month funnel builder. So if you've seen other things like, other funnel builder tools and everything like that, this could do exactly what they could do, if not more, because you could manage people's funnels without having any, login credentials. But I wanted to make more than just, the $20 commissions per month. So this allowed me to actually make the $100 commissions that I was just showing you. Basically this is the traffic and conversions portion. So whenever you sign up, you're gonna actually, click on the link within the email, or click on the link in the bottom of the YouTube video, and you're gonna be able to sign up. The traffic and conversion portion, it's a box that you check on the page when you go and you put your payment information in, and it gives you 2 weeks free of this traffic and conversions. Is all you do is check the box, and it'll give you extra $100 per month. So you're earning $120 per month per sale that you make whenever people get this portion, and you could just put them into here. So you won't have to really do too much as far as training, because we do live coaching every single day, and they're going to learn how to launch any business, how to invite people, how to follow up with your leads, how to actually get unlimited leads on Facebook, how to do short form video like YouTube Shorts. You're going to learn how to rank your videos in YouTube. You'll learn how to do different methods on Facebook. You'll learn how to do a podcast if you want to learn how to podcast. You're going to learn how to get leads on LinkedIn. You're going to learn how to do Facebook Lives the right way, how to blog. And those are just some of the things. Then we have the paid methods right here. The paid methods are text messaging, solo ad training, Facebook ads, Facebook video ads. So you'll learn all that stuff. But I would just pick one method that you really like. I suggest using YouTube, as it's a very good free method of traffic. Is all you gotta do is make videos, and then use Facebook as well. And then I sell solo ads. So I set people up who would join me to actually get traffic on their email list. Then you could make sales from your email traffic, and that's what I suggest to do. So I would suggest to use Facebook, YouTube, and traffic that I provide for you. So you won't have to really do too much work. Then you just come in here and you actually come and you could get on coaching every single day. We have the Monday night mastermind, which is every Monday night, where people come out and they share what they're doing in their business to get results. Then we have the daily, it's a daily Grow Rich mastermind call for your mindset. And then there's a daily Take Action mastermind call, where we go over the shoulder and you'll learn exactly what to do in your marketing in order to get results. So it's very, very cool. The average affiliate is going to earn around $300 per month, as long as they put in the work. Now, the money that you earn with this is not guaranteed. It's all guaranteed on your progress and what you do. If you do nothing, you will not earn nothing, right? If you actually implement what I'm showing you and actually take action, you're probably going to earn something. And if you make sales, then it's going to change your life, right? But you have to put in the work. You're not going to just come in here and make thousands of dollars or make a huge income unless you actually do the steps that I'm outlining for you. You have to actually put in the work to build your business and take this very, very seriously. I would highly suggest, if you want to make the most amount of money, you definitely should get in at the traffic and conversions portion, because that's going to teach you how to market, and then you're going to use the sales funnel system to build out your offers, to build out your websites, and that's how it's going to work. And then that's going to give you $120 per month for the people that use it. So it doesn't matter what kind of business people are in, they could still use these tools. And this also has a financial literacy academy, which is it gives you a one-time $400, and it teaches you all about how to eliminate debt. It teaches you all about financial literacy. Then it's going to teach you how to do your taxes so you could minimize your taxes and retain your most amount of money in your business. It's going to show you how to actually keep your records the right way, and then it's going to show you some strategies to actually invest. So this is property and investment stuff right here, and you're going to learn how to avoid scams as well. So this is very, very powerful. So altogether, it would be a one-time $525, and it gives you a $400 commission on top of the $120 per month. You get the traffic and conversions portion 2 weeks for free before it charges you. So basically, the only thing you're getting right now would basically be the funnel builder, which would be the $25 per month, and you won't get charged for the traffic and conversions portion until later. And then if you want to get the financial literacy course, I'm going to tell you it's going to make a difference in your business. It's a difference between $10,000 to $20,000 off of 25 sales, right? So it's very, very powerful. 25 sales gives you a $3,000 per month monthly income, and you could actually make money with this. So yeah, make sure you click on the link below this video to get started, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe so you get my other videos, and get into my Facebook group as well, where I give a lot of tips and tricks and training. The link is in the description, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.